Hello my beautiful dolls and welcome back to my channel. I missed y'all so much and I thought what better time to do a vlog than right now, because guess who's getting engaged this year? My boyfriend won't tell me what month. Like, if he just told me what month, it'd just be so much easier, but he wants to surprise me and I need to be the cutest girl ever. I need to be beautiful, gorgeous, sexy, amazing. So we're going to the mall so that I can find an engagement dress, y'all. So let's go. We have arrived at the mall, girls and gals. Isn't that the same thing? Probably. So let's go. Oh, my sweet mother wants to be in my vlog. Guys, we're immediately attracted. Oh, look at those, she says. I want to see these. Those are cute. That's not bad. Let's see what else we got. I don't know. The coach. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Look at the cherries and the little heels. They're so cute though. I'm in Parkmart, and I want one of these. But also, this one's really cute. This one right here. This one right here. Should I get one of these?
Yeah.
Honestly, no matter which one I get, I'd be really happy.
Yeah.
Look at the options. This is the one I want, and
Hang on, it's not focusing. Go.
this one and this one. Look at all the white.
Hi y'all, welcome in. Hi guys, welcome.
Y'all like this one?
Yeah, it's cute.
I want to see. Okay. It's an extra small. It's literally freaking perfect. Oh, ignore my shirt, but look at how beautiful and from the back. Yo, it's so freaking cute. I have this one right here, and I did go to a few other stores, but nothing fit good. It was too long, it's too big in certain areas. It was just not it. Girl, no. This is the second one, and it's pretty, not so much from the front, but the back is super cute. She don't want to be on camera, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really like the front so much, but the back's cute. Guys, I didn't show you the shoes that I found, so I'm gonna insert them right here, right now. But I'm so happy because I found everything that I was looking for. I just spit, but I found my dress, I found my heels. I'm gonna fix my hair whenever it happens. So exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get engaged this year. I've officially been with my man for 3 years, guys. That's like a freaking long time. Ugh. So, we're back from the mall and we're gonna unbox my skull panda. Like I said, I want the trust, the ecstasy, yeah, that's about it. wait, hold on. Let me put the card back in there. I didn't see, guys. I didn't see. Ooh, she's pretty. She's green.
She's green.
Let's see who I got. Serenity. Where's her little thing right there? She don't come with it or what? Oh. That's cool, guys. Isn't that cool? I've never bought... This is my first Skull Panda. So, sorry, I didn't know. Oh, this is her little helmet. I guess it goes like that. Okay. Guess it goes like that. Yeah, like that. And then she comes with a stand as well, which is good because I think she's a little heavy. So like this. Like that, y'all. I don't like her helmet.
Do you like her with or without her helmet?
I think it looks good with the helmet. I just don't like how it's like uneven. It's too big for her. But she's cute. She's cutesy. I didn't know how I'd feel if I got green, but I really like her face. It's really cute. Oh, and it turned. Oh no. Wait, does it? No. I like her little makeups. That's cute. Everybody. Yeah. It was $16. It's not bad. And it's real, guys. I got it at the Pop Mart. My mom bought it for me. What is 7 out of 12?
It's a chance. Wait, what?
Is it 7 or 1? Looks like a 7.
Very much a 7.
Bye.
Bye, my dog. Oh, sorry.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Guys, I look greasy and crazy, but I just got home and this is going to be the end of our vlog. I love y'all all so much and I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm so happy that I could share such a like important time with y'all, I guess. Like, I don't know what they would be called. And my boyfriend's like, it's just an engagement dress. It's like not even your wedding dress. And I'm like, I don't care. It was so special to me. And I had so much fun looking for all the dresses and shoes. Sorry, the dogs are being annoying. But, and the cows too. But yeah, guys. And I'm so happy. And I love y'all all so much. I hope y'all enjoyed. And I will see y'all next time. Hopefully, I can upload a makeup video soon. But here's a vlog for now. Anyways, I love y'all all so much. Bye, dolls.